Oh my god, girls, you see how cool this roller coaster is? We're gonna have so much fun! Daddy, I want you to get a video of me renegading while we're on the roller coaster. You girls ready? This is gonna be so fun. I'm ready, Dad. Don't forget to videotape me renegading on the roller coaster. Dad, my seatbelt won't clip, Dad. Jeez, Dixie, be quiet. The ride's about to start. Dad, help. It won't click, Dad. Dad, it won't click. Help. Jeez, Dixie, shut up and figure it out. I'm trying to build in Charlie. Here comes the whoop-de-whoop. Dad, please help. It won't click. Dixie, what are you doing? The ride's not over yet. Where are you going?
Trolley, safe, whatever.